Hey guys, this is Alex from Plugin Tesla. Welcome today to the new video, to the new accessories video for door trims, especially for the window switches here in Chrome. So I'll check them out and tell you my honest opinion. So this is how it looks. I unboxed it quickly. It's a nice silver trim, or chrome I should say, but it's not the glossy chrome, it's more brushed aluminum like trim, so exactly the same material or appearance like a little bit older Tesla Model S that had these silver trims all over the place. So I really like it. If I would mount it, it would look like this. In my opinion, it looks pretty amazing, especially if you have the silver trim in your car. For me, it's not going to work like this because I really have the space gray trim and these would stand out too much. I will give this away to a friend that has the older car, and he can really get use or make use of it. But nonetheless, I would buy this if I would have the silver trim in my car. It's a really good product. Costs on Amazon about 25 euros or $25, I suppose. And I will just put the link down under the video. So if you like it, you can buy it. And I will also put a few photos on the end of this video with the small switches, I should say, at the passenger side and the back side. So if you like the video, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, give me suggestions what you like, what you don't like, so I can improve myself and improve my videos. And see you in the next video. Bye bye guys, take care.